There was a dog chasing a bus, and it blocked the front to stop it from moving. But why did the dog do that? I'll show you in a moment. But first, if you think this cat is cute, don't forget to like and subscribe. And look at this poor dog. His owner abandoned him out of disgust. If you're a kind person, leave a heart emoji in the comments. Believe me, God will reward your kindness beyond measure. Share this video with your friends so this little dog can have a second chance at life. Now, back to the dog. The bag on that bus actually contained a bomb. The reason the dog blocked the bus was to protect the passengers. Because of that, the people on board were saved. Everyone was touched by the dog's bravery and kindness.